Today we got something a little bit different. We're gonna be hitting this Rawlings Pro Preferred OA1 with the puck knob. We're gonna see how it feels. If you're like me, you're deciding on if you want to buy this, you want to try the puck knob, if you want to try Rawlings wood, what weight you should buy, what size of bat you should buy, and you're looking at videos. I looked at videos before I bought this and I didn't see any, so I figured I would try this out and tell you guys if it's any good or not. Alrighty? You dropped that like 20 miles an hour on that one.
That's a pretty cool change up, but it wasn't. It was a regular one, I just went off.
Alright guys, in case that looked like it went 150 miles per hour, this fence is only 226 to the corners, and then like 240 or 250 to dead center, so it's not very big, but this feels good. And this counterweight right here of the puck knob, it feels good. I have a hard time pulling the ball in baseball a lot because I play slow pitch, and I feel like I can get the barrel through the zone. I don't know what turn model this is, I'll look it up, but it seems like we have skinny. We got skinny handle, maybe a medium right here, and then the barrel diameter looks a bit smaller than the other ones, but a little bit longer. So that might help balance it out, and this helps balance it out, I feel like, a lot. Pretty good. Oh! There we go. Alright guys, there you have it. The Rawlings OA1. If you haven't figured out who that is, it's Ozzy Albies. I don't think he uses a puck knob, but it feels good. I feel like I could stay where I want vertically through the zone a lot longer with this. This AP5, a lot of people are familiar with it. You can kind of see the diameter of barrel is smaller than on this, but this kind of feels like a log. It's real end loaded and the wood doesn't feel very hard. But this, we got hard wood, a nice barrel, long barrel, and I feel like I can keep it controlled through the zone. So yeah, Rawlings Pro Preferred Ozzy Albies.